Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford F150 cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task improves air quality and HVAC efficiency. You will need a new filter, a screwdriver, or a trim removal tool. First, ensure your truck is off and safely parked. The filter is usually behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. This DIY project takes about 15 to 20 minutes. To access the filter, first empty your glove compartment completely. Next, fully lower the glove box by pushing in on the side tabs to release them. Some models may require removing a front panel or two 7mm bolts from the upper glove compartment. Gently pry off any trim, disconnect electrical connectors, and set the upper glove compartment aside to reveal the filter housing. Now locate the cabin air filter housing cover, usually a rectangular panel. Release the clips holding it in place and gently remove the cover. Carefully slide out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrow, which often points downwards. This arrow is crucial for correct installation. Take a moment to clean any accumulated dust or debris from inside the filter housing using a cloth or a small vacuum. Take your new cabin air filter and slide it into the housing, making sure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Secure the filter cover by re-engaging all clips. Reinstall the upper glove compartment, reconnecting any electrical connectors, and replace any bolts or trim panels. Finally, raise and secure the main glove box. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter, ensuring cleaner air for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.